Go. Just go slow, so we can show that the rocks on the bottom are worn out. Okay, keep going.
Adjusting my rags. My wife.
You're gonna come all the way up to the plastic to show the rocks in the plastic.
No, I was thinking about stopping before.
No, come on. This is what I'm showing the customer.
Alright, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. You can just.
No, I will. I was just joking.
I know. There's some stuff. Go forward real quick. Keep going. Keep going. Next. Keep going. Right there. See, there's a little bit of roots there. So, okay, go ahead. There's a pile of rocks.
Yeah,
That's where it's coming in. Yeah, okay.
Starts from the concrete.
Yeah, we got to.
Plastic.
Right there, we got to dig that up anyway. And
Like
maybe we
still a
can
bunch.
suck them out. Yeah, look at. Yeah, this is in the plastic.
All that gravel.
Yeah, gravel. Okay. Yeah, it's all the way in there.
And then
And that's where we are. Okay. Okay.